A KXAN investigation into school marshals leads to new legislation at the state capitol. For months now, we've been waiting for answers from the state about which school districts have employees armed with guns.
This program came as a way to promote school safety, especially in districts that cannot afford a police force. Now, as KXAN education reporter Erin Cargile explains, the lawmaker behind the program says parents have a right to know if there's someone armed on their child's campus.
It was a slow start. The first school marshal training only had employees from 6 districts. Now the lawmaker behind it says that number has jumped to 32. And there's a plan in the Senate that would let employees at private schools, colleges, and universities pack heat.
The Marshall Plan has worked.
But it's been impossible for KXAN to get a list of districts that have one. State Representative Jason Villalba says parents should not be left in the dark.
We wanted to give parents that right, that authority, and so our bill simply provides that if they ask the school would tell them that their school is being protected by a school marshal.
The employee's name would still remain confidential. The plan seemed well received by the House Public Education Committee Tuesday.
I think it has some deterrence effect to know that there's one on campus, so I have no problem with that.
Representative Villalba is also asking the state to fork over $4 million to cover the cost of marshal training for school districts, an expense they've been paying for on their own. Erin Cargile, KXAN News.
As we mentioned, KXAN News has been in a 3-month legal fight with the state regarding the release of which districts have school marshals. The law does not say that information is private, but the Department of Public Safety and the Texas Commission on Law Enforcement blocked our request. They are now suing the Texas Attorney General's office, which says that information is public. You can see our past investigations into this issue right now at our website, kxan.com.